Stuck in debt prison? Is a maxed out credit card giving you a massive debt panic moment in the checkout line while the cashier stares right through your soul? You aren't alone. Meet Sam. He's currently trapped living paycheck to paycheck, battling 2026 hyperinflation, an unexpected 12% rent hike, zero emergency savings, and maximum financial anxiety. This isn't just about money, it's about the overwhelming dread of waking up every day already owing some. Watch my confession. But today, we're channeling that main character panic into a real, mathematical, bulletproof strategy. We're rejecting the toxic societal pressure to spend money we don't have just to impress people we don't like. Instead, we are fully embracing loud budgeting, making our financial boundaries known unapologetically. In this deep dive, we are showing you exactly how to manage debt step by step. By the end of this video, you will have a DIY debt management plan that practically runs itself, stripping the emotion out of the equation and replacing it with pure data. Let's cook. For Gen Z recent grads and 9-to-5ers, hiding from bills feels significantly safer than actually facing the terrifying math. The psychological avoidance is entirely real. Our brains are hardwired to flee from immediate stress. But what if a piece of software could do the terrifying part for you, removing the shame from the process? Step 1 to figuring out how to manage debt: stop guessing and start tracking. Sam links his accounts to Rocket Money. It automatically categorizes his spending patterns and immediately flags 5 different unused subscriptions he forgot he signed up for in 2024. Boom! A clean $45 a month clawed back instantly. That is pure cash flow injection without him having to work a single extra hour. Here is the harsh, unavoidable reality we need to accept. The Federal Reserve states the average household is currently carrying well over $6,000 in credit card debt, compounding daily at record high interest rates. You simply cannot out-earn bad money management. Earning more while spending recklessly is just filling a bucket with a massive hole in the bottom. Let's kill a toxic, predatory financial myth right now. People constantly confuse these two terms, and banks profit billions off that confusion. Consolidation means taking out a brand new, massive personal loan to pay off your old credit cards. Do not fall for this. You are literally just moving dirt from one hole to another. Worse, it frees up your card balances, and psychologically, 70% of people end up maxing those empty cards out again within a year. A debt management program, however, negotiates lower interest rates on your existing debt without opening dangerous new credit lines. Sam realizes he doesn't need another predatory loan with hidden origination fees. He needs an airtight system. He downloads YNAB. Unlike traditional budgets that forecast what you hope to spend, YNAB uses zero-based budgeting. Every single dollar of Sam's current paycheck is immediately assigned a strict job before the month even starts. No more floating cash, no more "I'll see what's left at the end of the month." But suddenly, there's a massive roadblock. Sam clicks on his Chase card details and sees his 29% APR. The sheer gravity of the math says he'll fail. Interest is eating his payments alive. Is he trapped forever? To figure out exactly how to manage debt, Sam shifts from a paralyzed victim mindset to one of aggressive, calculated action. He asks the ultimate question: how do I map this massive mountain of debt out without drowning in complex Excel spreadsheets? Enter undebt.it. It's a completely free visual calculator designed for visual learners. You just input your current balances, minimum payments, and interest rates, and the algorithm maps your exact escape route. But Sam has a crucial strategic choice to make: the Avalanche method or the Snowball method. Avalanche mathematically saves you the most money over time by targeting the highest interest rate first. It's logically sound. But Snowball? Snowball gives you the psychological dopamine hit by wiping out the smallest balances fast, freeing up minimum payments to roll into the next biggest debt. Personal finance is 80% behavior and 20% head knowledge. Sam needs a mental win to stay motivated.
He chooses the Snowball method. The system processes his monthly extra payments and calculates his exact payoff date down to the day, August 14th, 2027. The fog clears. He finally has a concrete finish line. See how I drowned? Quick pause for the freelancers, creators, and side hustlers watching. Irregular income makes traditional monthly budgeting a complete nightmare. If you don't know exactly what you'll make next week, how on earth do you guarantee extra payments towards your debt? Sam connects the Capital app. He sets a custom, automated rule. Every time a gig payment hits his checking account, the app automatically rounds up the deposit and siphons an extra 5% directly towards his debt snowball. It runs entirely in the background. Because the amount scales with his income, he doesn't even feel the money leaving. It's painless progress. If seeing Sam take absolute control of his life is helping cure your financial anxiety, hit that subscribe button right now so we can continue to beat the algorithm and build wealth together. Suddenly, disaster strikes. Sam's car breaks down on the highway. A brutal $400 radiator repair bill drops squarely on his lap. Financial expert Dave Ramsey says it best: an emergency fund isn't a luxury, it is literally debt insurance. Without a cash buffer, your entire debt payoff plan is just a house of cards waiting for a stiff breeze. Sam is looking dead at his emergency. He stares at his scissors and he stares at his glowing radioactive credit card. Will he swipe it, add compound interest to his emergency, and destroy his entire snowball momentum? No cap, that is elite dedication. Sam refuses to go backward. He fiercely protects the plan. He sells his old TV for $450 cash to cover the mechanic, bypassing the credit trap entirely. But he's still battling a stubbornly low credit score, dragged down by his high credit utilization ratio. He uses Experian Boost. By adding his years of positive, on-time utility and streaming payments directly into his credit file, he forces the bureaus to recognize his reliability, bumping his score up by 15 points instantly. Now, it's time for the ultimate boss fight. Sam calls his bank's retention department. He uses this exact psychologically tested script. I am experiencing temporary financial hardship and am heavily considering a balance transfer to a competitor offering 0%. Can we review my account for a promotional APR reduction? The rep pauses. Banks know customer retention is infinitely cheaper than sending accounts to collections. The rep types and drops his APR by a massive 8%. Sam just saved hundreds of dollars with a 3-minute phone call. But human motivation fades, and to prevent tracking fatigue over the next year, Sam leans into neuroscience. He builds a visual progress bar using a free Notion template. Our brains are hardwired for immediate reward. Every single time he makes a snowball payment, he clicks a checkbox and a digital plant grows on his screen. Gamifying the mundane process triggers dopamine, turning financial pain into addictive progress. Month after month, he grinds. Fast forward to August 2027, he clicks submit on his final, ultimate snowball payment. Did the math actually hold up against the chaos of real life? Boom! Zero balance, debt paid in full. Sam is entirely free. Let's do a rapid, actionable 30-second summary so you don't forget the exact mechanics of this escape route. As Sam discovered, missing a payment hurt. This fixed my score. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to find out exactly how he did it. 1. Use Rocket Money to automate your tracking and face your spending reality without shame. 2. Stop moving dirt. Avoid new predatory consolidation loans. 3. Map your snowball visually on undebt.it so you have a real finish line. 4. Use our exact retention script to negotiate your APR down and stop bleeding interest. And 5. Protect your plan from life's emergencies by selling what you don't need and gamify your tracking in Notion. You now know exactly how to manage debt like a financial engineer. Sam turned his absolute panic into absolute power, and if you have the discipline, you can too. Here is what I need you to do right now. Step 1. Smash that like button to tell the YouTube algorithm you are serious about getting rich. Step 2. Subscribe so you don't miss our next advanced masterclass on alternative wealth building and investing. And before you click away, comment below. Are you mathematically Team Avalanche or psychologically Team Snowball? Also, drop your biggest debt panic moment in the comments. This channel is a safe space. Let's support each other's loud budgeting journey. You know how to manage debt now. Claim your freedom. See you next week. This is exactly how Sam won. I used these scripts to stop collection calls. Be sure to check the link in the description below to grab them yourself.